Voyager 1, launched way back when, is still trucking on, way past where we thought was possible. It's gone millions and millions of miles, hitting spots no other spacecraft has reached before. Voyager 1 was the only spacecraft to previously send back data that messes with what we thought we knew about the edge of our solar system. In the location known as the heliopause, researchers refer to it as a crazy find. It took off in 1977 with a simple plan: check out the outer planets, grab some info, and maybe cross the line between our solar system and deep space. After swinging by Jupiter and Saturn and sending back awesome pictures and info, it kept going into the dark. In 2012, it was the first thing we made to leave the solar system, crossing the heliopause into interstellar space. But now, over 47 years later, Voyager 1 has surprised us again. It discovered something just outside of our solar system that scientists didn't see coming. The heliopause is where the sun's power stops, where the solar wind fades out and interstellar space begins. So, what's it mean to cross this line? What's on the other side? The heliopause, like a shield made by the solar wind, keeps the bad stuff from the galaxy away. But by crossing it, Voyager 1 has run into things we've never been able to check out closely before, things that seem to break the rules of physics. Recent info from Voyager 1 has scientists scratching their heads. They've seen the magnetic field jumping around like a vibration in interstellar space that we couldn't explain, until now. It's weird because the magnetic field should be pretty steady there. These changes hint that there's something going on at the edge of the heliopause that we hadn't previously seen. Maybe it's a fresh type of energy or even a signal that there are forces in deep space we don't get yet. What's really up at the boundary of our solar system? According to some scientists, changes in the magnetic field could be one type of unimaginable energy, like an echo from the far reaches of the universe. But the ideas get even stranger. Could something out there be messing with the solar system? Are these magnetic vibrations reacting to stuff outside? It's like the edge of the heliosphere is pushing back. The signals are weak, but keep repeating, showing patterns we've never seen. Another idea is that the heliopause could be getting squeezed by some energy stream from the Milky Way or even farther out. This could be from the stellar winds of stars nearby or something significantly farther away and unknown. If that's true, we might be spotting a new physical thing and finding out that the solar system is hooked up to other parts of the galaxy through these currents. For some scientists, this isn't just cool, it's a wake-up call. Voyager 1 might be finding an energy grid or something like that at the edge of our solar system. If these energy streams are real, we're seeing for the first time how the solar system is tied to the galaxy in a way we didn't know. This could totally change how we see energy in the universe. Think about it. These energy currents could be like invisible bridges between stars and solar systems, sending energy back and forth across the galaxy. If that's right, we might be about to find a basic structure of the universe stretching across space and linking everything in a cosmic web. The Voyager 1 mission has been a one-way trip into the unknown. With every signal it sends back, it reminds us how little we know about the edges of our own backyard, even though its tools were made. In the 70s, they've been way more helpful for space exploration than we ever thought. Voyager 1's tech might be old news, but it's still our best way to see what's going on at the edge of the solar system. It's logging things we didn't even expect when it launched, and it's the only thing out there to see it. Despite being over 14 billion miles away, Voyager 1 keeps sending back valuable stuff, like a message from the unknown. Every signal Voyager 1 finds makes us want to keep going, to make spacecraft that can go even deeper and get to the mysteries of the universe. As Voyager shows us the way, we're getting ready to take the next leap in space exploration. Each bit of data Voyager 1 sends back gets us closer to the day when humans can cross that line too. Maybe one day, we'll pass the heliopause and see what's waiting beyond the edge of the solar system. And let's not forget what Elon Musk, a big name in space tech, said. He's been keeping up with Voyager 1's discoveries and breakthroughs, and he said, "This find is a wake-up call. Musk thinks this Voyager data could push us to make spacecraft that can beat the limits of interstellar space tech. With his plans for SpaceX, Elon Musk has always been aiming for deep space, and this discovery not only gets him fired up, but also makes him want to create new tech to go even farther. Could this info from Voyager 1 kick off a fresh time for interstellar exploration? According to Musk, this recent discovery proves that there are numerous unknown secrets in the universe, and we're just about ready to check them out. We can't rule out that unknown life or biological stuff might be messing with solar system structures in ways we don't get yet. Even though it sounds like science fiction, every discovery gets us closer to knowing if we're really alone in the universe. Every piece of data, every signal that Voyager 1 sends from way out there is another piece of the puzzle. Maybe this data will help us spot signs of life in interstellar space. The first interstellar space traveler has reached lines that nothing else we've made has ever reached. This has shown us how huge and mysterious the universe is. Even though its trip has a deadline, the questions it leaves behind will keep bouncing around in science and in our hearts. We live on a tiny planet at the edge of a huge galaxy, and now that Voyager 1 has arrived, we know there are forces out there we don't understand. What else is waiting for us? Voyager 1 reminds us that exploration never ends and that the next big find is always just around the corner. Voyager 1 offers us a peek into a universe that's way more mysterious and busy than we ever imagined. The discoveries made by Voyager 1 are changing how we see space and making us rethink everything we know about the cosmos. This mission, which started as a way to check out distant planets, has turned into something else. With each new signal, Voyager 1 teaches us something new, not just about the far corners of space, but also about ourselves and the ways in which we can understand. As humanity gets ready for the next great leap into space, Voyager 1 is still a sign of our strong curiosity and our drive to check out the unknown. Voyager 1, launched ages ago on a crazy mission, keeps going past where we thought was possible to go. It has traveled millions of miles through uncharted space. Now it's sent back data that's changing everything we thought we knew about the edge of our solar system. Launched way back in '77, Voyager 1 was meant to check out the outer planets, grab info, and maybe cross over into interstellar space. After flying by Jupiter and Saturn, sending back awesome pictures and data, it kept on going into the dark unknown. In 2012, it became the first human-made thing to leave the solar system, crossing the heliopause into interstellar space. Now, after 47-plus years, Voyager 1 has surprised us again. At the edge of our solar system, it's found stuff scientists didn't expect. The heliopause is where the sun's influence ends. Beyond it, the solar wind fades, and interstellar space begins. This boundary, established by a shield made by the solar wind, protects us from galactic particles. By crossing it, Voyager 1 has run into stuff we've never seen up close before. Stuff that seems to break the rules of physics. Recent data has scientists scratching their heads. They've picked up wobbles in the magnetic fields between stars that they can't explain. This is wild because the magnetic field there should be fairly consistent. These changes could mean there's unknown activity at the edge, stuff we couldn't detect before. Some think it might be a new kind of deep space forces or energy signs that we don't know about. What's going on at the solar system's edge? Maybe these wobbles caused by magnetic fields are a type of energy we've never seen, like an echo from the universe's far reaches. What if something out there is messing with the solar system? Maybe the edge of the heliosphere is reacting to something pushing it from outside. The signals are weak, but they show the same patterns that we've never seen. Another idea says the heliopause might be getting squeezed by a flow of energy from the Milky Way or beyond. These streams could come from nearby stars or something even farther away that we can't explain. If this is true, we might be seeing how the solar system is related to other parts of the galaxy through these streams. The solar system connects to the galaxy in a way that we were unaware of. These energy streams could form invisible paths between stars and solar systems, allowing energy to flow across the galaxy. We might be on the verge of finding a basic structure of a universe that links the whole galaxy in a web. Voyager 1 has gone where each signal has not been preceded by anyone. This reminds us how little we know about our own system's boundaries. Even though the instruments are from the 70s, they've been way more useful than anyone thought. Voyager 1's tech might be old, but it's still our best tool at the edge of the solar system. Our data is being recorded by the solar system. We didn't expect this when it launched, and it's our only witness out there. Even though it's over 14 billion miles away, Voyager 1 keeps sending back important data. Each signal is like a message from the unknown, inspiring us to keep doing space exploration, build spacecraft that can go farther, and figure out the universe's secrets. Elon Musk has been following Voyager 1's news closely. He said this finding should wake everyone up. Musk thinks this data could speed up our work on interstellar spacecraft that can beat SpaceX's technological limitations today. Musk has always aimed for deep space, and this discovery pushes him to make new tech to go even farther. Could Voyager 1's data start a new age of space exploration? Musk believes that it should. The recent discovery proves that the universe is full of mysteries yet to be uncovered, and we are just ready to explore them. We can't throw out the idea that there are things that may be living, interacting with our solar system. It may sound like science fiction, but every discovery gets us closer to understanding if we're alone or not. If we keep studying the Voyager 1 signal, that might help us see signs of life. Voyager 1 has gone past what we've seen before. Even though its journey is not over, the questions it raises will continue to always be on people's minds. We live on a tiny planet. Thanks to Voyager 1, we know there are forces that we don't understand at all. What's next for us? Voyager 1 tells us that exploration never ends and that big things are waiting for us. Voyager 1 is giving us a glimpse of a universe that is far more bizarre and more active than we thought. The things seen by Voyager 1 are changing how we see space, causing us to rethink space. This mission has become a look into the natural world and outer space. Voyager 1 is teaching us a lot, not just about the corners of space, but of ourselves. Space exploration is not ending. As Voyager 1 continues to motivate us to carry on space exploration, humanity gets ready to go to space. Voyager 1 is telling us that we could beat all of our fears and go find life. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, has far exceeded its original mission objectives. Initially tasked with exploring Jupiter and Saturn, the spacecraft has entered interstellar space, providing new information about the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond. Its journey has not only expanded our understanding of space, but also posed new questions that challenge existing scientific paradigms. In 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's solar wind pressure balances with the interstellar medium. This milestone was confirmed through data from its plasma wave instrument, which detected electron plasma oscillations characteristic of the interstellar medium. Since then, Voyager 1 has continued to send back valuable information, including unexpected magnetic field fluctuations that have intrigued scientists. These magnetic anomalies suggest that the region just beyond the heliopause is more complex than previously thought. Studies indicate that the magnetic field direction has been slowly shifting since Voyager 1's entry into interstellar space, likely due to the influence of the nearby solar wind boundary. Such findings imply that the interstellar medium may have properties and behaviors that are not fully understood, prompting a reevaluation of existing models. Furthermore, the detection of low-frequency radio emissions by Voyager 1 has revealed aspects of the interactions between the solar wind and interstellar gas. These emissions, which are among the most powerful radio sources in our solar system, occur when the solar wind collides with interstellar plasma, creating intense pressure waves. These are commonly referred to as a cosmic tsunami and offer a unique opportunity to study the dynamics at the boundary of our solar system. The longevity of Voyager 1 is a testament to the durability and ingenuity of its design. Despite being over 14 billion miles from Earth, the spacecraft continues to operate, sending back data that enriches our knowledge of the cosmos. NASA engineers have implemented various strategies to conserve power and extend its usefulness, which include shutting down non-essential instruments and heaters. These efforts, aimed to keep Voyager 1 functional until at least its 50th anniversary, make its scientific contributions possible. The discoveries made by Voyager 1 have profound implications for our understanding of the universe. They challenge existing theories and open new avenues for research into the nature of the interstellar medium, the behavior of space-based magnetic fields, and the interactions between solar and interstellar phenomena. As scientists continue to analyze the data transmitted by Voyager 1, it becomes increasingly clear that our knowledge of space is still evolving and much remains to be discovered. In conclusion, Voyager 1's journey is far from over. Its continued exploration of interstellar space promises to provide additional insights into the fundamental workings of the universe. As we await the next phase of its mission, Voyager 1 stands as a symbol of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge.